So finally it's time to move. The chopper is flying by. Okay, all set, bike is all set. This is my riding jacket from iAccess. This is my empty helmet. This is the camera. I'm shooting from the another camera, and you can see the way she's shining. Yesterday the bike got serviced very much well at Pace and Pixels. I'm all set. I'm waiting for my elder brother to come. I was supposed to leave by morning, but there was some change in plans, and it resulted for a bit delay. Not a bit delay. It's very much like hot now. So finally it's time to go. My brother has left already. I'm supposed to leave immediately, just connecting the Bluetooth. Time is 11:28. So I'll keep vlogging in between. Let's see how it works. So guys, this is Mumbai-Nasik highway. Basically it is Bhiwandi-Nasik highway. This road takes you straight towards Nasik, but we are supposed to take an exit towards Kalyan. I have just left from Thane, and this is just the start of my ride. Guys, I have just reached Kalyan, and two of my dear friends are waiting somewhere nearby. There is one electronics store called as King's Electronics. Shubham Tiwari and Nikhil Devulkar. Both are the members of FBI, as well as they are my good friends. This camera also belongs to Shubham only. It's very hot. Banta riders, wear helmet, man. Look at the way he's riding. हायाबुसा देख के जोश में आ गया है क्या? हाईवे पे मिलो, हाईवे पे. Just kidding, bro. Wear helmets. Even I have dropped an idea of wearing a riding jacket because it is too hot, as well as I have got a tattoo on my right hand, and it was not recommended to wear a wind cheater also, but still I am wearing it. After a few odd kilometers, I would be wearing a riding jacket which is in my brother's car, and he is driving right behind me. So here we are, King's Electronics. We can see that written in red color. I cannot see any. Okay, Shubham is here. Say hi to camera. Say hi to camera. चालू है. Subscribe to him, Shubh MLV. अरे निखिल किधर है?
कब से फोन कर रहा हूँ, फोन लग ही नहीं रहा उसका.
कसा आहेस तू बाकी?
बाकी आपली राईड कधी?
आपली राईड जाऊ, संडेला वगैरे जाऊया. चलो बाय. See you. Take care. Yes, I will. 2 घंटे में नहीं पहुंचूंगा, आराम से जाऊंगा. नहीं यहाँ पे.
चलो मैं भी साथ में.
चल. I met Shubham and Nikhil, and I'm now on the way towards Marshes. From Marshes, my native is around 40 kilometers. So total journey is of 155 odd kilometers. So here is Shubham on his Gixxer SF. Woo! Helmet पहन, helmet. पागल, स्पीड देखो, स्पीड. हेलमेट पहनता नहीं है. छपरी, मिरर फोल्ड रखा है. हाँ, हेलमेट तो गिव अवे में मिला है, फिर भी नहीं पहनता है. So basically, Shubham is from Kalyan. He has his own channel, Shubh's MLV. Subscribes to him. He is growing fast. More than 500 subscribers in 2 or 3 months. He says 6 months, लेकिन मैं उसको 2-3 महीने से जानता हूँ. Yeah. It is all about a nice human being. So he is one of them. So here we start with some open roads. This road is not about a high speed kind of surface. It has got more over S-turn zigzag road. So basically 80 to 100 would be the average speed. This is called as the Ammu Lake. There is a resort ahead, Ammu Resort, which is named after this river. Not river, this is a lake. Murbad, and we have decided to take a small break for lunch. It's very hot. I mean, it's a mistake riding at this time. It's very hot. Temperature would be somewhere around 50 odd. It's very hot. I mean, you cannot feel the temperature in camera, but it is very hot. This is still a camera mount. I have got the other mounts also I'm supposed to use. It's very hot. The bike is here. Guys, can you see that point? The straight one. It is called as Nane Ghat. I have gone there 2 times. Once I have gone via trekking, and once I have gone via Junnar. I have taken my Pulsar 220 till the top. There is a route you can go up till there. It is 3,500 square feet above sea level, and the climate is very much hot. It is unbearable hot.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
At the footsteps of Marches Ghat, and yes, look at this. Woo! This view is pleasing me in this hot climate also. Oh my god, I love mountains, and what better place than this? Welcome to the mountains. I know guys, this video has been long. Don't get bored. This is my first longest video. second time I'm riding in Hayabusa in Marches Ghat. Marches Ghat has been like second home for me. I have been here many times since childhood. I keep coming here. This place is heaven, especially in winters and in rains. You can see number of waterfalls in rainy season. You can see that number of waterfalls. This is just the beginning of Marches Ghat. I will not shoot the entire Marches Ghat because it is somewhere around 8 to 9 kilometers. So even my battery is about to drain, and I already have shoot a lot since I have started riding today. Those are called as gorillas. I mean, sorry, white monkeys. See, langur. Langur! There is a big story behind langur here. After a long time, these mountains have blessed me with some shadows. It is quite windy here.
Coming like a Hellcat. Coming like a Hellcat.
This is the main entrance of our native. I mean, my house is a bit ahead inside, but this is the actual main village where we stay. This is the start point, and my place is almost at the end point. You can see the greenery over here. It's superb. You can see maximum of sugar canes farms. The time is 3 o'clock 40 minutes and 3:40 basically, and it is like thoda bahut thanda hai. It's not that humid, or it is not that garam which was there few hours back. It's where all people accumulate. We need at least 2 or 3 days break from the busy schedule and spend some quality time here. You won't get a luxurious life, but yes, you can breathe very much fresh. It's been more than 3.5 hours I'm riding, and I was so much tired, but as soon as I enter here, the climate is complete change. Though you can see a sunny area, but it is not that hot.